how to turn your videos onto QR code. Now, the essence of this tutorial will be getting a video from the internet, whether that's uploading it or getting videos already uploaded on the internet, copying that link, and then turning that into a QR code. So the first method is, of course, getting videos from the internet that's already there. So for example, maybe you want to download music, or you already have a video you uploaded onto YouTube and you want to make that into a QR code so you can share it to your friends or put it at a presentation so your participants can scan it and watch it easily. So if it's videos already present at the internet, the way you go onto the link, you just go onto the address bar up here and then just copying that link. You copy and then you just paste that in. You paste that in onto this website. It's called QR code generator. If I just search QR code generator, there'll be a ton that comes up. You can use whichever one. Most of it is free, but some of it try to make you pay for subscriptions. Don't do that. There's a lot of free ones you can use. Save your money for something else. I'm just going to use this top one up here. I'm just going to paste that link again. They'll prompt you to linking a video content. Display me to multiple videos on page with our video QR code. You can use that if you'd like, but for this one, I'm just going to keep it as is. Now, if you scan this QR code right here, it'll redirect you onto this video right here. You can add frames to it if you like. I don't really dig this, but if you like it, then you can use it. But what if you want to make a video you have on your computer or on your phone, and you want to make that onto a QR code, but it's not on the internet because, well, it's on your phone and it's on your laptop? Then first off, you'll need to upload it. You can upload it to whichever website you'd like. I'm just going to upload it onto Google Drive. This is a video I have and I want to make it onto a QR code. If you're uploading it on Drive, make sure that it's not private and it's viewable. The way you can do that is by clicking on the video you want. Click on the more actions here, the three dots. Press share and then press share again. And then on the general access tab, make sure it says anyone with the link. And make sure that it says viewer, not commenter, not editor. If you press commenter or editor, anyone who views this link can edit it, so they can delete it, they can mess with it, and you don't want that. So I'll copy the link. After you're done with this, you can copy the link, you can press done, and then let's go back. Let's paste that link in onto the QR code generator, and there you go. This QR code will now redirect anyone who scans it onto the video here on your Google Drive. So that is how you turn a video onto a QR code. It's as easy as that.